Hi guys, we're watching Mr. Kai here try to feed his leopard gecko as he gets his crickets. Right now the crickets are winning. Oh, I guess not. It spoke too soon. What do we got here, Kai?
Calcium with crickets being dusted.
Ah. And why are we putting calcium on the crickets?
So it can keep the gecko alive. Speaking of that, where is the we lost the cricket. It's buried.
It seems like every financial company
that's
talks about
strange.
investing
I gotta find it.
So what about the
I have a
tech?
heating
This
mat
whole
under
picture
here. It's
approach is
heating
just one
him.
of the
He'll be
reasons
fine.
96% of our clients stay with us year after year. At Northwestern Mutual,
Alright, we
we
gotta
help
put
you
this
live
cap
life
back on so
differently.
in case the cricket tries to jump out.
So Kai likes to feed his leopard gecko one at a time, and there he comes. Meet Blizzard, the newest addition to our family.
Got it from the head.
Headshot?
Headshot. Plus 100.
So Kai has them spoiled. He is fed one by one, dusted with calcium for 2 days, and dusted with vitamins on the 3rd day, and then back on the same routine. Just trying to share it with you what we do. And we have mealworms, of course.
Yeah, if that cricket goes in that, it's gone. Yeah, I guarantee Blizzard already. Oh no. It's still, no, it's gone. Yep, okay. Dead.
Hi guys, it's us again, Kai and Dad.
Yeah.
Well, today, what are we doing, Kai?
Well, we're going to be reviewing some ZooMed products, a Zilla temperature controller, this nice magazine, and a Reptifogger from ZooMed.
Well, the Reptifogger, so far, I'm very impressed with.
It worked. It just worked.
Oops, sorry. As you can see right here,
it's our green tree python.
It's our green tree python, and it fits perfectly and right under this case here. And of course, the good thing about it, as a safety feature, if the water runs out, it stops working. So that's a plus. We don't want to burn out any products. But of course, you can see our buddy right there in the corner. That's our what, Kai?
Our green tree python.
Yeah, Verde Fuego is her name. But we are going to be installing the ZooMed heating pad for the 10 to 20 gallon.
And we used this for Blizzard, the one that we picked up last Saturday when you guys saw that.
Well, that's good. That's good. So we got a couple of products, ZooMed, last weekend with the Reptifogger. So far, we're impressed, and actually, it's helped Fuego shed that little thin layer. Did a great job. So she's doing what? She's changing some colors, right?
Yeah, she's going a little bit orange until green.
So she's changing from red to orange and eventually a little yellow in there, I see.
Yeah.
Now, we also picked up, like Kai said, the new Reptile magazine. That is good because this week you got green tree pythons, beautiful among the branches. And I tell you what, good addition, good addition. Now, we're going to start installing this product, and then we'll get back to you guys soon.
Yep. All right.
Oh, Kai's at it again. What are you installing now, Kai?
I got these little buds in that keeps the take up, and so the heating pad doesn't like burn whatever we got going on here. This type of lid on the shelves that we got.
Oh, there it is. There's our ZooMed heating pad.
Yep, and these will keep it up so it doesn't burn anything, and it comes with the heating mat. So
it's a safety feature on behalf of ZooMed.
Yep, it's great because you don't have to buy anything from Walmart or whatever.
Oh, that's good. No hardware needed on the outside. And what we're going to be doing is transitioning this heating system. We're going from a light system, which we have a day and night light. We're switching over to a heating pad, and that's because who's not being very cooperative? Mamba, right?
Mamba, or he's spending too much time in here. Even though he's nocturnal, the night light that we have that came with the tank isn't very great, so it doesn't warm him up like the starburst light would, which you're gonna meet in the next video coming in like maybe less than an hour.
All right. And remember, attached to this, you've also attached the Zilla
Temperature controller.
Controller. Sorry about that, guys. Controllers. So we're going to have that, so that way we control it. We're not putting too much heat in the tank, and at the same time, we got a hot and a cold spot.
So this will work fantastic. I recommend the Zilla heating pad for anyone, and these temperature controllers, they work well together.
And you could. The good thing about it, Kai just figured out we could connect up to 3
on this. Yeah, it's perfect.
Yeah. So
1,
you
2, 3.
So you can connect up to 3 tanks that are in the same temperature range.
Yep.
And the majority of our snakes, as we have them set up, we have a couple of different ones here. Our banana is up here.
Here's our little. No, wait! Don't reveal him. Don't reveal him.
Oh, no revealing. No revealing. Oh, till later. Bye, guys.